Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and we have a Galaxy S20 fresh in its packaging in our office. So without further ado, let's dive into it. First off though, we wanted to say thanks to EE for sponsoring this video. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check out some of their Galaxy S20 deals. Now it starts as always with a minimal black box with nothing but the S20 logo on the front. It's elegant and minimalist, and inside the first thing you get to is the phone. As always though, we put that to one side for later. There is a SIM ejector tool fastened to the box containing the paperwork, which you can read or ignore. Now this particular box was jammed inside the lid, so we didn't actually see it until after we'd unboxed everything else. Now in the box, Samsung has included a fast charging adapter with Type-C port for delivering the power to the phone. Now if you're in the UK, you get the nifty version with an earth pin that clicks in and out. And looking at the markings, it seems like this is capable of delivering up to 25 watts of power, which is pretty quick. Now of course, with the adapter having a Type-C port, that means the cable you get is a Type-C to Type-C cable as well. And like everything else in this box, it's matte black. Now being Samsung, you also get these wired AKG earbuds, which come with spare tips and have a nylon weave coated cable, and again a Type-C connector, because the phone doesn't have a 3.5mm input. As for the phone itself, it's covered in protective film in a number of places. There's even a pre-applied screen protector which you can leave on if you want to, or you can remove it pretty easily. The top and bottom edges are protected too due to having this glossy metal finish. It's likely easy to scratch. Now the bottom edge features the Type-C port and a loudspeaker, with a power sleep button on the right and the SIM tray placed in the top edge. Now, it's worth popping the SIM in before setting it up, and this tray itself has space for 2 SIMs, or 1 SIM and a micro SD card for storage expansion. And then comes the setup process, which includes the ability to copy data and apps from an existing phone, including your old iPhone if you want to. It does this using Samsung's Smart Switch app, which we have been over in a separate video, so be sure to check that out if you want to see the details on what gets transferred and what you can't transfer across. Pretty much, you can transfer everything. Now once it's set up, we get a first proper look at the phone, and in the hand it feels nice and compact despite having that big expansive display on the front. It feels like a good balance between getting all that visual space but without having a phone that takes up too much space in your palm. Although being smaller means it has a smaller battery than either of the Plus or the Ultra models. The screen itself seems really bright, sharp and vibrant, easily one of the best we've seen so far. Now our UK model features the Exynos 990 processor, 5G capabilities and 128GB of internal storage. Now we'll be bringing you more on this S20 in the coming days and weeks, so stay tuned for more vids. Hit the subscribe button if you want to make sure you don't miss those. Hit thumbs up if you like this video, and as always, I am on social media. I'm at Cam Bunton on Twitter and all the other important social media networks. Until next time, bye for now.